Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to fix the VAN9003 error in Valorant on Windows 11 in 2026 and get your game running smoothly again. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To quickly fix this error, we must access your UEFI settings. In order to do that, go to your Windows and search Settings. In the settings, go to System, scroll down until you see Recovery. Click Recovery and go Restart Now. Now that your device has been restarted, go to Troubleshoot, go to Advanced Options, and click UEFI Firmware Settings and restart. Now that you are in the BIOS menu, go to Boot and make sure that Secure Boot is active. After enabling it, go ahead and save and exit the setup. After enabling Secure Boot, you should be able to play Valorant once again. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.